Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nikmah Wahyuni. I am an English teacher in SMA NU Palangkaraya, Central Kalimantan. Here I want to share my experience in joining the workshop using open source software for better student engagement online. The workshop was conducted by Pandit Deen Dayal Petroleum University or PDPU of India and Tie-Ups International. Here I have made a resume of the workshop and my note how I plan to use it in my class. Okay, let's begin. The workshop was held for 3 days. On the first day, the participants where talk about creating audiovisual content for teaching, innovative way of learning, and how to make audiovisual content with minimum resources. This topic was presented by Dr. Sandesh Mahjan. The second session, the participants were talk about MOOC, the 4-quadrant approach. It was presented by Mr. Pradip Malik PhD. MOOC is Massive Distance Education Model. In here, he explained about what is MOOC, why MOOC, approach to preparing MOOC, and reaching MOOC. He also explained some benefits if we use MOOC. The second day, the participants were presented about India shortly. There are many things that we know from it. For example, about culture in India, then some interesting places, and education in India. I think all of them were very interesting for me, so it makes me want to visit there. The next session, the participants were introduced about fun with teaching English. It was presented by Mr. Dr. Harmik Feinsnap. The language learning that was explained in this topic are: creating interest is challenge for a teacher, then the right use of grammar to be taught, and reaching vocabulary and the slim difference of meaning between English words, and then simple and complicated spelling patterns. The last, developing thinking in English language. Still on the second day, the participants were taught about organizing online quizzes or taking attendance. This topic was presented by Dr. Nausin Nizami. She introduced me how to use Kahoot application. Kahoot is a tool for using technology to administer quizzes, discussion, or survey. On the third day or the last day, the participants were given some information about Pandit Deen Dayal Petroleum University or PDPU. The moderator given some information about the university, for example, the condition of the university, the program are offered there, then the cost we spend if we studied there, etc. Still on the third day, the next session, the participants were introduced about Microsoft Teams that was presented by Mr. Rishi Bandari. Microsoft Teams application is similarity with Google Classroom in Indonesia. In here, the participant was taught to use Microsoft Teams application. For school, this application can connect the student and faculty for courses and project in a classroom or online. The last session, the participant will talk about renderforest.com that is presented by Dr. Pradip Malik. I think that's my resume. All the material or the topic which were given by the trainer or the speaker are very interesting and amazing for me. The topics are very useful and available for teaching, learning English. Next time, I will try to use the application in my class and apply them in my teaching, learning, online process. The last, I would like to say thanks to Mr. Rafi Mahija as a moderator, or the trainer or the speaker who have given knowledge about using open source software for better student engagement online. And I also would like to say thank you to Pandit Dayal Petroleum University or PDPU of India and Thai Apps International, which have conducted this workshop. I hope the next time I can join the program like this again. Thank you so much all. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.